We like to think that this is the most advanced mobile deployable hangar system.
We are proud to deliver this solution behind me. It's finally complete. The customer's eyes have changed.
What you see behind you is a combination of containers, a hangar equipped with a mobile crane. We have everything to support the operations for the helicopters and maintain the helicopters wherever we need.
Alinion is ready for takeoff.
The turnkey solution delivered by UTC Malaysia behind me has a wind resistance up to 180 km per hour.
We talk about extreme durability.
This solution is deployable within a week with a trained crew.
We can deploy this anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if it's hot climate or Arctic conditions.
Customers are always requiring mobility, fast deployment. This is what we have done in particular with this solution.
So when we deploy the system and handle logistics, we basically have everything packed in these containers. We can equip for different kind of helicopters or airplanes or fighter jets. It can be longer. It can be equipped with different kind of containers and accessories.
We assemble the arch from the ground.
We don't climb, and then we lift it up with a pulley system.
Is the best solution for us to implement a new permanent base on a different site in the future.
Everything here looks very serious and very professional, so I think this installation is very complete.
We need something to work and to operate correctly.
This location is the best, is closer to the offshore destination, so it will save flight time and cost for the client.
This hangar is the answer of the contract.
So we would like to thank the utilities team who has worked all along the week with our helpers to achieve this project on time. We can congratulate them. There were no LTI